brain, whatever you tell your brain, it's going to believe it. You may as well tell it how much you love you and how wonderful you are. Because
and that's something else we teach in our programs, how to change your thoughts in a way that is more helpful to you and train your brain to give you happy thoughts and emotions and positive action instead of self-defeating things.
Bob is agreeing with that, Christine. He just sent a message. I read it. Maybe you want to tell the people what he said. I'd like to hear from the men too, you know, even though it's about women we're talking, it's not exclusive.
Men often have the same issues, and without naming names, and Bob, I don't really want to read what you wrote, although it's sweet, but I don't want to single everybody out, but men have issues too, and men need to love themselves just as much.
Yeah.
And some of my male clients are the worst doormat for dominant women. And that's sad, because we all, no matter what gender, deserve to respect ourselves. We have all equal value.
And you know what, Christine, isn't that interesting? I'll bet most women don't know that. They think that men are full of bravado and they don't feel negatively about themselves and that wouldn't be a doormat for anybody. It's sort of like women feel it's a female thing, it's a woman's thing, and it's not.
No, that's in a way, it's a gender stereotype, isn't it? Oh, women need to be empowered and men need to be put down. No. Both have the same needs. Deep down, men and women are similar. The expression is different because the female brain gets bathed in hormones, in estrogen growing up. The male brain gets bathed in testosterone, which gives a different expression of humanity.
Yes, but the same needs, feelings, and wants and desires as a human.
Yeah. Yeah. And I always quote my dear husband, and always when I want to say something that's a little unsavory, I quote him because he's a man and he can do it. So what he always says, and he's right, he says, we all eat the same, we all shit the same. Yeah, I see.
Hey, all right, Mike, you're right. How can you argue that point?
Oh,